Hey guys.
Hello.
We are Nomad Hackers back again with a bang, and this time we're coming to you with something different. Uh, it is a comic AI generation tool, and yeah, we wanted to revolutionize the way people wanted to tell their story in the form of graphics. So in a little bit, I'm going to show you how the UI works and what we did, and yeah, judge for
Let's
yourselves.
go.
All right, so now we're back on the computer, and this is how our UI looks like. And yeah, essentially, uh, we enter a prompt, and the idea is that we enter a prompt, and this prompt will be fed into the generative AI like Gemini or something, and then that gives us an output of the story that we want to create the comic on, and that will be input into our model, and our model will essentially create the comic itself. So let's say I were to input something like a little boy's adventure story on water, uh, and hit generate. It's probably going to load for a little bit, and should give us an option to get the comic as a PDF here. And yeah, as you can see, here's a sample PDF of how it would look like. So going back to the code, uh, obviously this is not rendered with our model because we weren't able to uh, get it to run in time. It was having a CPU overload, and there were we ran into some issues that were out of the scope in this 24-hour hackathon. Here's kind of our model that we used with stable diffusion. But if it were to actually render, it would do the steps I proposed earlier with the Gen AI input and take that input into stable diffusion and generate the images on the fly. But this is one of the comics that we got to kind of generate using this model. And we used a backend, an Express.js backend. And using this backend, we were able to host this endpoint, which leads us to this package or the folder that will have all the comics that our model generated. So we used Express.js and React.js for our full stack application, and here are some of the code which we pushed to GitHub as well. But our idea is we wanted to revolutionize the way people want to tell their stories and give them a medium to tell their stories. So yeah, that was our thought. And if you were given a little bit more time, we could have made this a fully end-to-end project. But here is a MVP that we came up with in the short time. So thank you guys for listening. And yeah, hope for the best. Thank you.